What is the most annoying sound effect in video game history? It gets way worse than that. I started this hunt by playing through my favorite games to find annoying sounds. I found one which was... but I realized a problem.
These are my favorite games. They're not annoying.
So that's when I decided to do some research and found a sound effect from Zelda that got someone in trouble because it sounds like... but it's not as annoying as what I ended up finding. So I quit the Googling and went right to find what everyone on the internet thinks is the worst sound effect. After gathering many online opinions, it is no doubt that the most annoying sound effect is...